Hello everyone, my name is Empyrion. Welcome to my channel. Earlier today I uploaded a video with some creation from the workshop on Empyrion Galactic Survival Steam workshop, and I made a mistake on one of the creations, the last creation, that when I looked at the creator here, it says that the KI-Northstar RE2 is made by Gerandel, as we see here, and I thought it was made by Gerandel, but in fact it's not. This creation is made by another creator that goes by the name, see here on the workshop. So the creator for this creation is Fungus, and the original one that we have on this side here is the actual Gerandel's creation, and it's actually under a different name, is the Asclepius-HHS, and it is a medical vessel. I remember correctly, it is like that's the purpose of the vessel, is it's a medical vessel, that it says on the workshop. It has different interior. So this one here has also a lot of it has cargo on this side, actually, like here, and then on the further inside between the bridge and the hangar, it has a good amount of growing pots. Since it's a medical vessel, it will supply with food as well. So probably everyone knows about this creation. It's an old one, it's not a new one, by Gerandel, and also like the color scheme is different on general compared to this one. Mostly these darker like shades of gray or black, and the red one will be more towards the MCRN color theme that Gerandel follows. He did a couple of the Expanse and some other builds that have like close to this type of color theme, but not on the original one, the medical vessel. That's it for this. Just wanted to clear out that it's a mistake on the name of the author. I will probably come up with another video, upload another video, if not today, maybe tomorrow, with another 4 or 5 items from the workshop. It's going to be CVs, so just look forward to the next video. Thank you and have a good day.